Hey everybody! Today we are looking at the Instax Mini Link. This instant photo printer is an interesting idea for creating physical memories, and I wanted to know if it printed better photos than the Instax Mini 9 camera. So I bought it. My name is Jerry, and my daughter received an Instax Mini 9 camera for her birthday. She has been running around taking photos of all of her stuff. She has been taking photos of her stuffed animals, her art, outdoor hikes, and even her dorky dad. My daughter is having a lot of fun taking photos with her camera, and while some of those photos have been good, many have been blurry, incorrectly exposed, and some just plain unusable. I wanted to see if we could print good digital photos with this film, so we picked up the Mini Link. From the Mini Link app, you can select any photo from your device and send it directly to the Mini Link printer. Simple corrections for filters and color can be made. There is also a frame print mode to add little touches to your photos, and collage print for making simple collages. The film is roughly 1.8 inches by 2.4 inches, prints at about 1.5 megapixels, and develops fully in about 10 minutes. The results are generally better than what we get from the Mini 9 camera, but still pretty dull with iffy contrast. There's a big loss of detail in the photos produced on this Instax film, as you can see compared to the originals. The Mini 9 has built-in scene options, which we haven't quite figured out yet, and the Mini Link can have some big failures too. So, should you consider getting an Instax camera or printer? For me, the answer is yes. Although the photos you get can sometimes have iffy results, going back to the idea of physical photos is kind of fun. There are all kinds of frames and accessories for the Instax prints, which my daughter can use to decorate her room with pics of friends and family.